Good morning, everybody. Let's start the show. All right. Good morning. Happy New Week, everyone. With no fear is here. Good morning. Farhad, good morning. And Red, good morning. Bowser, Yonix, welcome. Let's start the show and let's start this beautiful Monday. All right. So we have some levels here. We have a new week opening gap. Again, seems like we have opening gaps all over the place now. So, Nissim, hey, good to see you. Welcome. And Least Estimator is here. Oh, weekend was great. I slept as much as I could. But yeah, some family stuff I had to take care of. Everything is fine. So, how was everybody's weekend? Jonathan, hey. Almost. The giveaway is going to end tomorrow, so make sure to check out the link. Hey, Jonathan. So I'm watching these levels on NQ, and if we go out to the 4-hour chart, then we're pretty much just, going sideways here. On the 1-hour chart, well, hard to say. Watching ICT's 25.5. Nice. Let's go, Red. That's good. I think I need to take more time to watch that as well. There are some new lectures I need to listen to. Okay, so here's a 1-hour fair value gap. Let's just put this here. This is on the 15-minute. And let's see, 1-hour CB. I think it was a CB, right? Yeah, it was. So sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the 1-hour. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. Also 1-hour fair value gaps down there. Took liquidity. So we took liquidity down here on Sunday open. Boom. Starting to go higher. I would say that price might be pushing into this 1-hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So just to make sure, I'm going to put a buy side liquidity level at 758. And what else do we have? Created a bullish order block here on the 15-minute. That's pretty solid. This one is actually a valid 15-minute order block. So, gotta be careful with that. And so this one's a BC, 15-minute BC here. Okay. Jerry, welcome. Welcome, Jerry. And Naomi is here. Welcome, Naomi. Good to see you all. So, as price were trying to push up to that 1-hour CB up there, it also reclaimed this bullish order block on the 15-minute chart. Question remains, is it going to try to break that at 681? I would be careful with the long positions for now. I'd like to see price break this, but if it's not going to do that, well, on the 1-minute, there is actually almost like a classic entry to go long. What's the distance here for a stop? 13 points. That actually could be okay. That could be okay for a long. But I think It might want to break that 681. Look at this. I don't know. I don't know. The risk to reward ratio could be okay. Would be nice to target that high. As for Asia lows, well, yeah, interesting. A little bit tempted to jump in here just for a probe trade. Maybe on an eval. Why not, you know? Might want to go up to the 50s. We'll see. Not sure I want to put a trade on the funded accounts. I put on one trade right now on one of my evaluation accounts, but small trade, small long position, just to see how it goes. I'm not sure about this long position as long as we see this 15-minute order block to the left. But anyway, I took a long on a MyFundedFutures account, so we'll see. Sausage, hey, welcome. And Jeff is here, welcome. Malo, hey, long from 688. Nice. That's a good entry. No issue with Take Profit Twitter. Take Profit Twitter so far is working like a charm, Nissim. So one of the biggest goals right now for me is to take some payouts from trading at Take Profit Trader. Zach, good morning. Yokozuna, welcome. So no issue with them. Where is the trade? Where's the trade? Here's the trade. Here's one trade that I put on. Low probability and high risk trade. I'm just, looking for a push higher, but it's just I was just putting it on an eval. So let's see how it goes. They transferred 1,000 from your account without your acknowledgement. What do you mean transferred $1,000? Your bank account or from your wallet? Depends, Your wallet. I don't know. Did you make a withdrawal and it was in your wallet? Or did you ask for a payout, or Sausage, full tilt? Are you on full tilt? Don't be on full tilt, man. Don't do that. Oh, you requested from your wallet. Then maybe it's under, transfer or something. Maybe it's already because I think you got approved for the payout, and when you got approved for a payout, they deduct the money from the wallet. So you have to go into the other window and click on the process or proceed, and you will have to add your bank account. That's how it works, Nissim. So they didn't take away that money, But once you got approved, your wallet is getting deducted. But then you have to look at the other tab, and there is a button. You have to click on it. It says proceed. And then you have to add your bank account details. Because once you're approved for a withdrawal, you have to add your bank account. And I think that's what you're missing here, Nissim. That's how it works with Take Profit Trader. So once you get approved for a payout from your wallet, you have to add your bank account details. And that's why it's being deducted. Yes, I'm targeting that 758, but only on one evaluation account. So it's a low probability trade because I'm not touching the funded account with this trade. I think we have a high chance that, you know, this will go lower, break this order block, and then maybe push it higher. That's what I'm actually waiting for. Oh yeah, we haven't used the word scam. Everything is a scam. So I think we need to talk about how many things are a scam. Everything is a scam. I just made a coffee. This is a scam too. It's definitely a scam. And was approved. The problem is that they wrote to me that I had a loss, and it is not true. I sent them a screenshot, and they haven't answered for me in a few days. Interesting. So if you got approved, and if you had a loss after the approval, that should be okay. But if you had a loss before the approval, I don't know. I mean, I'm not an expert. It's hard to say, but usually they answer in New York business hours. Yes. So most likely you're gonna get an answer in New York business hours. That's when you should check them, because I tried them with some other cases in the chat, and you know, they only answer in business hours. So nothing over the weekend. Yeah. Yeah, 6 a.m. I think even later, maybe even 8, or I don't know. Yeah, no problem, Nissim, no problem. But I think it depends on when you had the loss on your account. Even if you had the loss, question is, was it before the approval, or was it after approval, or I don't know. You know, I'm not sure. But there was no issue with Take Profit Traders so far. I mean, not even on social media. Maybe there are some glitches here and there, but okay, so far going sideways. I'm looking to take this 1 hour CB up there, but again, I wouldn't be surprised if the price would just go down, break this 15-minute order block. 15-minute, let's just sell side liquidity as 15-minute bullish order block, low slash demand zone low. It's quite a lot. So that 681 could be broken, and that's why I only took this on one single evaluation. So far, here's the trade. Not too much hope for it right now. We might just gonna go sideways here. Yeah, definitely, Nissim. 15-minute inversion is bearish. Could be. Cole, hey there. Had 10 grand slippage on top step on the drop. Ooh, crushed. Jesus. I heard that Project X, or sorry, Top Step X is I mean, it's having a lot of slippage. I mean, that's what I've been heard from everyone. Lots of slippage. Beanie Player, hey, good to see you back from the weekend. Doing good, doing good. And the Mexican John Wick, Juan Wick, hey there, welcome, man. Update on your friend at Reza. Oh yeah, I paid the money for this guy that Reza stepped in as a very generous offer. I paid the money on Saturday. No, I don't know anything else since then. So that's all. I wired the money to him from my personal account. So I'm sure he had it on Saturday. Instant transfer. So I think he activated the account, but no update since then. I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. The news. Oh, okay. Oh, with your son Matthew. Hello there, Matthew. Welcome. Hey, Matthew. How old is your son? Yeah, Reza is a real gentleman. I mean, really. And I understand why he did that. As he said, he was in the same situation. I think we all were in a similar situation in a way when it comes to trading. And the budget was very tight, and Reza was a real gentleman. Real gentleman. Yeah, at news trading, no stop loss is safe. At neither of these prop firms, I think so. Yes. Oh, it went through. 8 years old. Nice. That's it. That is an excellent decision from Matthew. I think, you know, if he starts at 8 years old and he learns from, you know, every rule and every basics, I think he will be an excellent trader. He will have the world by he gets to 18. Doesn't even have to go to university or whatever, or to college. And I know it could be, you know, raising some debate, but honestly, there are so many. At least I definitely know a few college degrees here in my country that has. I mean, I don't want to say anything bad, and I'm not gonna name them, but there are a few that's absolutely useless. Like young people learning years and years to get the minimum salary and not being respected by society. And I think trading is such a great experience, such a great knowledge. If one really knows how to do it, it could be a lifesaver. I mean, the markets are never going to go away, in my opinion. The only question I have is what's going to happen when AI steps into the trading space? They're already here. So AI is already in trading. But what really happens when the super AI, which everybody is talking about, the super AI is going to be created? What's it going to be into trading? I mean, that's a really, I mean, while we're waiting for price action here, I'm really curious about your opinions about this. So I was watching a YouTube video about that the other day. So what's going to happen when the super AI, because that's what they're saying. They're saying we are so close to get the super AI. The one we see right now on ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and others, these are basically language models. That's what they say. These are language models. But the next step is going to be the super AI, which is going to be much more advanced. Now, what's that going to do in trading? Interesting, you know. Gold taking off. Oh, let's check on gold. Okay, let's go. Awesome. I'm glad, John. Oh yeah, look at that. We're going higher. I was hoping that gold will try to go lower. Look at the 4 hour. I even put out a small forecast, what I'm looking for. There's a demand zone down here on the 4 hour, and as we swept liquidity, I thought that we're gonna go lower. Well, that's it for that on the 4 hour. The 1 hour, it's just making new highs, but you know what? it's just, that's where it's going. 3,000, unstoppable. I'm not touching gold this morning. Only exception if it wants to make a displacement lower, but I have no valid targets, so nothing on gold right now. Unfortunately, this long position is gonna be ending with a stop. You're going to see a straight line on the chart, horizontal. Wow. Everybody waiting 3K, yes. Yeah, typical. Oh, I'm almost out of the position. I'm closing it. Okay, I closed down the position. Only one evaluation account, so don't worry about it. I think it should be taking that 81 now. Right here. And below that, well, there are some levels, but 8 market open. This could be an Asia low here. 659. 659 on NQ. And that's it. 15. Yeah, the 15-minute inversion. Yeah, here. Nice. Good entry. Good entry. Don't forget, everybody, there's a cash giveaway. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow or Wednesday because it has a timer on it. Check out the link in the chat or in the description or in the title. You can enter, earn some points every day, by the way, by just clicking some links. So increasing your chances. Check it out. Yeah, the midnight level is still holding, which makes it more interesting. But I think it should break the 81. It's still slow in this pre-London session. The trader guy. Hey. Good to see you. Everything is good. Everything is good. We should be having a good day. I have my lucky horseshoe here. So it's not a magnet, but it's a lucky horseshoe. Anyway, nothing to go with here. Oh yeah, charm tweet. I think in the next upcoming weeks or month, I think everybody's gonna be watching for his Twitter. The snow? There is no snow right now. Actually, I thought I have a webcam. I can show you guys the outside. The sun is shining right now, but it's cold. It's minus. I think it's -5 or -4. Let me check. -5 degrees Celsius. Cute little head and shoulders. I think I agree with Naomi here. It's a cute one. It's a cute head and shoulders. And now it took liquidity on the 3-minute It could just easily drop down now. You know, take the low down there. Hard to say. Or the 1 minute. But also a rejection on the 5 minute. Still. Careful here. Robert, hey, Dark Cloud, welcome. Oh, -3 Celsius. Ah, yeah. So everywhere is cold right now. What's it gonna be? It's holding this area pretty good. Nice rejection on the midnight level here. It might even take some momentum and go again for that 1 hour. Who knows? Or am I just going to wait until London Open? They pumped it since everyone watching Super Bowl. Eagles winning? Nice. Just 10 points. Malo wanted to pump 10 points. I think it can go. We're just below 700. If it closes above 700, I think it can go. So far, all we can do is watch and observe. It's just not enough for me to do anything, especially on a funded account. I'd like to see this one go, by the way, to that 1 hour level. It's 65 points. I take it anytime in London. So we'll see. Good morning from Denmark. Hey, Denmark. Done for the day? That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Awesome. Oh, where did I put this? So, Denmark. I think the weather is cold there. I always wanted to go to Copenhagen. Copenhagen. How do they say it properly? We say in Hungarian pronunciation, we say Copenhagen. But yeah. Karsten, good morning. Thank you so much, Karsten. I wish you the same as well. I wish the absolute best to you and to everybody. Oh, lost 6K on Bulenox. Personal data loss limit 500. Extra than 2.5. I see. Yeah, there could be an error. There could be an error there. I think maybe you should ask support for some some replies about that. Maybe they can look into it. There could be an error. Definitely open a support ticket. I think they will look into that. I mean, last year and also in 23, Bulenox was very, how should I say this? The support was very helpful if there were some technical issues. I don't need resistance from support. Yeah. Just send them a ticket. Send. I can't speak. I can. Maybe I'm too sleepy in the morning. Maybe I'm too sleepy in the morning that I can't speak English properly. Raphael is here. We had a 15-minute SMT high. Trade news. Forget it's gone. Oh, this thing they don't. Yeah, it doesn't really want to move. OG. Raphael, what's going on? The weekend was good. Attend the seminar hosted by Apex Trader Funding. Oh, it was awesome. Nice. Good to hear. Good to hear. I'm glad they're doing this. These kind of streams. Okay, what is going on? Price is still kind of sideways. Well, this is typically an area where you just need to wait and wait and wait. Maybe it wants to break that 81.75 on the micro. We don't know that. We don't know. Satoshi is here. Happy Monday. Happy Monday to everyone. Oh, something's wrong with the camera, I think. It's a little bit, I don't know. Maybe like this. I don't know. I have to do something with it. Switching 4-hour liquidity. Yeah, that could happen. Camille is here, my man. What's going on? Welcome, Camille. Not much to do here. Quick look on gold. Look at gold. We're making history. We're going for 3,000 on futures. CFD also all-time high. Jesus. The cranberries. Ah, that's cool. I like it, by the way. Yeah, there's this right now. This price section is nothing. Maybe in about 16 minutes, the macro is gonna kick in or some. I don't know. Maybe the London Open. So, what do you guys and ladies think? Ladies and gentlemen, ladies first, think about what is AI going to do about trading in the future? That's the question that really interests me. Really, I'm trying to get more information about this. How is AI going to change trading, especially the super AI, the super intelligence that some experts are saying we are on the edge of creating the super intelligence? Because right now the current AIs are just language models. Nobody really knows it. I didn't know that too. But experts are saying that ChatGPT and the others, these are quote unquote just language models, nothing more. Not real AI, but the super AI could be something different. But anyway, can it change trading? That's the big question. I think it will, Raphael. I just don't know if it's gonna happen today. I'm 90% sure, 95, actually 98% sure, Raphael, that we're gonna hit the 3,000. But maybe not today, maybe not even Friday, maybe next week, who knows? It can just do what it wants, but 3,000 is 100%. It's gonna happen. It's going to normalize everything, and within minutes, all you're going to get is a horizontal line. So that's why we're saying, no, that's not possible. So there has to be a price for everything in the market. So even for stock or whatever. So AI always chase stop losses that have the most money. There's an AI auto trader on, and it says not to copy the trades because it's an alpha stage and just learning. It loses a lot. And they don't understand our emotions. Bots algo based. Yeah, we have CPI, Bowser. That's true. CPI could do. CPI can actually throw gold into the moon. So yeah, I'm really interested about that. You know, back in the days, I was like 23 years old in 2007, and that was the first time I met with automated trading, and that was the first time ever in my life when I approached trading. I mean, I saw, oh, look at that, we can trade online from our home. So 3 Bulenox accounts. Oh, thank you. Guess what? Past 3 accounts on Friday. Congratulations, Albert. I mean, let me give you an applause. Nice one. I know you said it, and congratulations on your job. That's an excellent job. Let you use Apex 100K accounts. Nice. Ollie, good morning. Zero-sum game. Some AIs win, some lose. Yeah. Yeah, Albert, I know you were grinding on that. Yeah, I remember now. That is awesome. Congratulations. So yeah, in 2007, I don't know if some of you remember, but there was a MetaTrader 4 algorithm expert advisor. That's what they called it. That's what they called it, expert advisor for MetaTrader 4. It's called Fab Turbo. Fab Turbo is basically a MetaTrader 4 EA, nothing more, for scalping, most likely in the Asia session. And I remember that this was the first thing in 2007 that I saw related to trading online. So the website is called Fab Turbo. Obviously, it's a scam. Selling an EA for I don't know how much, like hundreds of dollars. It's a huge scam, And I also bought this back in 2007. You can guess what happened. So this was the first, and the website still exists. So why? Very interesting. Look at this. Trust this. Look at that. A $10,000 real money deposit turning into $433,347. This is absolutely trustworthy and 100% real information, right? So this is, you know, when you see this, you just have to buy this robot, because then you will know, you know, there's a certificate that actually someone made money. Definitely not not counterfeit or whatever. I don't know what is this. So you can see now, oh no, that this EA is perfect. It's going to make you a millionaire. Look at that, from 5,100 to 3,600. Sorry, 36,000. Oh my God, I think we have to buy this. We're gonna be millionaires. Look at that. Look at how smooth this is. So definitely, this was the first time I encountered AI. I mean, expert advisor, algo trading. Yeah, the AI blows every account. Alex, good morning. Yeah, the weekend is over. You were in, yeah, 2007. I was already here trying to trade. No, different times. Different times, yeah. Camille remembers. If it's really, would you sell it? Yeah, you have the answer exactly. Yeah, when you see something like that on a website, run away immediately. Definitely, yes, with no fear. The one who made that, imagine this website back in 2007. Imagine how much money they made with this website in 2007 and 2008. So nobody even heard if you can trade. I mean, back in those days, you know, trading from your home, blah blah blah. So that was like, nobody really knew what the heck forex trading was. Not to mention, you just buy an EA for a few $100s and you will be a millionaire, you know. Phew. Boy, that was the real Wild West. And the one who made that website really made millions of dollars back in the days. Yeah, the name is Fab Turbo. Forex Autopilot, I think that's what it covers or something. You were 27. I was younger than you. I was 23. So imagine, and how many people, including myself, fell into that. Like, oh my God, this is so awesome. Now I can retire at the age of 23. I can retire. I will be a millionaire. I can look for the, you know, expensive cars now. You know, I just have to wait a few weeks and this robot is going to make my life. That's how simple it is. And I was really super dumb enough to actually, I wanted to believe it, that, oh, this can actually work. And then when it started to lose the money from my account, obviously I still thought that, okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. And so I went into some forums, exchanged some information with others who purchased the robot, you know, maybe tweaked the settings a little bit. And so that's how it all began. Yeah, but that was trading with EAs in 2007. And then came the other big hit, Forex Megadroid. That was the name, Forex Megadroid. They actually hired actors. That's a proof now. That's history on online. You can still find them on YouTube, those videos. They actually hired actors to pretend that they are the programmers of the robot, that they were actors. Proof has been found. and everybody fall into it. Everybody. Oh my god, such a wild west back then. I know I look young because I'm a vampire. No, I don't know. That's why I'm only using this small camera feed. You know, you guys don't see the wrinkles. No. Yeah, everybody is going through the similar phase. Oh. So by the way, Bulenox is back to 75%. I think they changed it on Friday. Just saying. Speaking of Bulenox earlier. Option 2 accounts are also down 75%. So option 2 accounts are 75% off. If you guys like the end of day trailing, but it has a daily loss limit soft rule, it's also 75% off with the same code. So that's the cheapest upfront cost right now, I think. I'm not sure. All right. Seems like this one might go up. Let's go. Let's go. We could go all the way to the 760s, you know. This is absolutely possible. We have 2 minutes and 35 seconds until maybe some macro algorithm will kick in. I was watching a television series, or not television, but a stream series on Sky Showtime, The Day of the Jackal. You know, that there was a book about it back in the 60s, I think, and there was a small television series in the 70s or 80s, I think. And then Bruce Willis played the role in 97, I think, in The Jackal with Richard Gere. And now they made a new series. And I must say, I'm really, really enjoying it. So I can't wait to finish with it. I started to watch it yesterday, like, oh, it's Sunday afternoon, let's just watch a little bit of television. I don't really used to do that at the television nowadays, but let's just start to watch it. And I was like, oh my god, you know, I was through like 4 or 5 episodes already. I was like, okay, I have to stop with this. Let's see what's happening. What is this going to do here? Is this gonna go higher? Who knows? It might just want to. So, what are you guys and girls doing? Any idea? Any suggestion? Nothing is happening right now. Not even the macro is not doing anything currently. Waiting for a possible setup here. I might even take a long position, but it would be a bit scary for me right now before the London Open, but we'll see. Buyer break 2701 on gold. No. Oh, 701. Sorry. Yes. I understand, Toto. Thank you. After 3. Okay. 701, then sweep. Yeah, I think it can break that 701 to sweep it and then bring it down. We'll see. But the NQ in the 4 hour. Let's check the 4 hour. So this is the 4 hour. We had a structure shift. The issue is that we have relative equal highs. And this is the micro. Let's check on the mini. Yeah, the mini, same. You see, we have relative equal highs at 970. And that makes me not want to believe that this is going to go lower. So in the big picture, especially in the 4 hour, I think it's pretty much bullish. It looks bullish. So careful here, especially with the short positions. It could be a tricky one. Those relative equal highs are looking juicy on the 4 hour. Yeah, so that's a good point, 1 wick. Definitely more patience in trading. That's, more discipline. Definitely. Last week it was going up for no real reason. Oh. That's nice, Jeff. That's a good thing, You can monitor 24/7 then. Dark Cloud is $25 away from payout. Yeah, don't do anything. Dark Cloud, if I were you and you're $25 away, do not trade this London session. I think you have better opportunities in New York session. Do not trade that specific account in this London session. You can do an Eval or another account if you want, but do not touch that account in this London session. Maybe try New York, but not now. It can make you go crazy because it moves so slow. You will start to second doubt yourself if something is even just goes against you with a few points. Don't do it. You're gonna mess up. I mean, hopefully not. Sorry, but why risk it? Just leave it. You still have time for today. Rejected that 701. Interesting. London Open is how much time? Almost 5 minutes away. Might want to sweep higher, maybe even the 710, and maybe go higher and higher. Who knows? Now on the 15 minute, I just switched to the 15 here. Oh, you guys don't see it. Sorry. Okay, now it's better. I don't know what that is. So on the 15 minute here, look at the rejections. Boom. Interesting. And this is a bullish order block or demand area. So this here on the 15 minute, strong level, very strong, 681. That's a strong level. Also, that's the trick. Like, it rejecting from this level, it can just shoot all the way up there to that 1 hour CB. So that's why it's risky, but you know. Yeah, don't, yeah, Dark Cloud, just be careful. Yeah, it could be a sweep up and down. Let's go. Let me just make a quick phone call. Just a second. I'm sorry. I need to make a quick phone call here. All right, I'm here. Quick phone call. Sorry about that. Family call. Not. Sorry. It was just a phone call. It was not the. It was not the banker yet. No deal. The 10th breaking moving average has failed. Yeah, I don't know. It feels like it might want to push it higher. The London Open attempted to sweep this low, and it didn't go for it. Quite interesting. Didn't go for it. I think it wants to break the highs now, and then whatever happens. Whatever happens is going to happen. But really, really interesting how it got rejected on these levels down there. It's a tricky level, for sure. Chop session, yeah, OG. Well, I don't know. It has to sweep both sides in a way, I think, but it might just go into. I mean, such a strong support here above the 680, 81 area around midnight. It's such a strong support area. I think it might want to send it higher up to that 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, it's interesting. Oh yeah, definitely Bowser. Real chop suey. Hard to decide what to do. Yeah. All right, least estimator. See you later. Yeah, this is an absolute chop fest. Yeah. Have a great one, least estimator. Hope to see you next time. Not much is happening. It's a real chop. If it would sweep, if one is looking for a short, I think it still needs to sweep maybe all the way up to 710 or higher. But it should be doing that by now. There you go. So at least it's taking the orders up here. Now the question remains, how far is it going to go? To me, it seems like it can go all the way up there. Hey, Juan. Well, I was just talking to her on the phone. She was in hospital, and I brought her home last week again. She's okay, a little bit weak, but hopefully getting better. We felt like she would do better because she basically has to take medicines pills, you know, and it's better for her to stay at home instead of being at the hospital. Whoa, Kevin Ketter, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. So she's at home. Doctors are saying this could take quite a few weeks or a few months for her to recover, but you know. Thank you, John Wick. Thank you. Well, the doctors are saying she should be okay, but it's gonna take some time. But she lives alone, so that's why sometimes I might have to skip some streams. I try to do my best because she lives in another town. I have to drive there if she needs something from, like, groceries or whatever, some food or anything. She cannot go out. She's unable to go out and do the shopping and stuff, and I can do that. What is it doing? What is this doing? Is it gonna go higher? This would be the area here. If you really want to shoot up to the moon, this would be the place to do it, in my opinion. It took some liquidity on the 15-minute. I don't know if that counts. Satoshi is entering a short. The distance for the low of this level, yeah, it's a good 15 points ish. You know. Good luck, Satoshi. Good luck. Good luck. I mean, interesting. As far as I'm checking it on the 1 minute chart, even if I look at the low of this order block, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 times low right here. Very strong level. Very, very, very strong level down there. And gold is... So, what is gold doing? Maybe a shift here? I'm not sure. NQ is still hovering around this level, above 700. Interesting. Interesting. Where would be the Asia high? Well, only one high here is the 731. Can still push it up there. It's not too far. 50 points for NQ. Would be nothing. But I hope not for Satoshi. You're out. Oh, sorry, I didn't read that. Invalidated. Oh. The weaker it gets. Maybe. Hey, Ali. Doing what you're doing on one account. 3 micros and taking a whole move. Yeah, definitely less stress. Absolutely, Ali. Yes. I invite a good morning. You're a gut. So definitely less stress. In a buy model? Yeah, could be. Let's see how it goes. Strong rejection for sure. And so far, NQ is, well, holding this area. The thing is, there is just no proper entry. I mean, I'm a little bit scared to enter a long position, but I don't know. Back to 700 now. $320. Oh yeah, sorry, 320. The reversal. Yeah, Bowser. Sorry, yeah, the 320. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put a marker here at 320. Yeah, sluggish. Absolutely, Camille. Yeah. So that's the 320 marker. I'm curious how it's gonna react. This is typical price action I don't want to take a trade on, but maybe, I don't know. What's it gonna be? It might slowly take the stairs up. Yeah, Tilzik. I mean, I'm not even surprised nowadays we have so good Asia sessions. I mean, as far as I check back the charts, you know, Asia sessions tend to be more cleaner than London sessions. Maybe I should do Asia stream, you know, instead of London stream. It seems to be that, you know, really, no joke, no troll. Asia price action is more interesting nowadays. Yeah, barcode action here, absolutely. Yeah, I might try it, Martin. I mean, this is Asia session. Oh yeah, yeah. As I said, I went over the weekend on some charts, and I'm checking the Asia sessions, not just on NQ but on gold, specifically on gold. By the way, I think gold in the Asia session is actually very good, surprisingly good. In the past few weeks, well, obviously not every day, but surprisingly good opportunities on gold in the Asia session. So yeah, much absolutely clean targets, clean moves, and as far as I mean, I as I said, I only checked it the past couple of weeks, but it struck me like it seems like that it respecting the levels better. There's not that kind of bullshit manipulations and crazy news like in sometimes in New York or whatever. You know, Trump is most likely sleeping. Hey, liquidity trader, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Satoshi is going short again. 9:30 in Asia session. Gold likes to put in a low and pump. Thank you for that. That's a good information. So yeah, it's interesting. So most likely Trump is not tweeting during the Asia session. Most of the big players are sleeping or not trading at least. I mean, less manipulation. I mean, obviously there is manipulation there and dirty moves, but still. Especially on gold. Yeah. Yeah, I was checking gold, as I said, and it was amazingly good how it was respecting how the levels got tapped, you know. Very interesting. Yeah, I'm not sleeping. I'm there. I'll always be there in the Asia markets. I mean, no joke, really. Maybe I should try once or twice. Most likely, I would be focusing on gold in the Asia session. I would be focusing on gold, and why not? You know, do a little bit of gold trading. Here comes 320, almost. Hey, Temder, good morning. Good to see you. Flipped me from Nasdaq to gold last week, and we said Asia session is the best. Oh, thank you for that info. That's good to know. Definitely makes me want to consider checking to gold in the Asia session. The problem is that's in the middle of the night for me, so like I have to be up at like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., you know. But hey, that would make the whole session a little bit more cozier, you know. That would be actually cool. It would be like a night television show or something. I don't know. Hey, Thunder took the short. Yeah, yeah. I have to get up on time for Asia trading. I didn't even know which kill zones to go with. I guess I would have to go with from 8 p.m. all the way to midnight or 1 a.m. or something. So that could mean like a 3 to 4 hour window at least. Satoshi wants to see some displacement. Oh yeah, well, still very, very interesting. So we have this 320 area here. What's it gonna do? The 15-minute is absolutely amazing. All those wicks down there, you know, doesn't really let price action to push it down. Actually, look at that. It might want to push it up to the 760s. Who knows? But the 15-minute chart is all these wicks here. Just look at that. How crazy is that? Very, very strong support. Let's see what it does. I think it might want to break higher. There are some flat candles at 15. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I'm waiting for Mullo. Mullo was in a long trade. It's time now for him to post how much he made. Joking here. Higher prices, yeah. The fastest stop loss. Be careful, my friend. Be careful. It might want to break that 30, to be honest. It looks like it wants to. But I don't have a trade entry, a proper trade entry here. Just squeezing up there. But I don't like it. I don't really want to enter this. Let's see the 5-minute. Yeah, the 5-minute looks like it wants to shift higher again, which is cool. This last minute from this 5-minute candle will show us. I think there's going to be a shift. I told you guys, Mullo made it. 258 times 8. Let's go. Let's go. One more day to pay out. That's how you do it. Look at that. It's going. So, is this going to try to take that? Which area is that? Hold on. It's at 6. It might want to try to take that the 30s up there. I would be curious if we go up to that 60s area. I'm not in a trade on this, but still quite interesting. What a move. What a move. The 1 minute looks crazy here. Yeah, there you go, Malo. Congratulations. Good job. The previous week high low. No, I didn't. I didn't do that. Maybe I should. I'm watching my other screen on the left here. Figure this out. What it might do. A little bit curious if it wants to go down again here or not. 1 minute looks interesting. Yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah, Asia was most likely better than this. Well, that is what it is. I think. I mean, I don't have an entry here. We're pretty much just going sideways. It's just making new highs, takes the stairs up there, and I wish I could just find something here to go with, but I don't have anything. Maybe if it wants to attack these lows again at the midnight area, not sure. That would be great, just to know what it wants. But for now, I don't see anything. Isham, good morning. Hello there. So what's it gonna do? I bet that gold has better. Oh, gold is just going higher. Okay. Gold is going higher. Yeah, I have no clue about NQ right now and no entry. And as I said, I'm a little bit still scared to enter along. So the best thing I can do is just wait and see what it wants to do. Very slow price action. Very, very slow. Definitely not ideal. Okay. New 30-minute, 15 and 5-minute candle. Very, very interesting. Back to 700 now. I wonder if it will try to sweep that level again. Or is this just gonna make a new low again? I don't know. Yeah, it might be. Yeah, Ali, the bulls are a little bit weak. Who knows? And Jerry, yes, could be. As I said, it's It seems to be a good level. It's just, I don't know. 320 reversal. Do you think so? So Bowser, what you're saying is it might try to attack these lows again for the 6th time now, or I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, somewhere about the 6 times. 6th time. Could happen though. You think so? Let's see. Let's see. I told you guys my problem is I don't like the whole area here. Maybe it will push higher, but I just don't want to be part of any long position. Even if it goes up, it's just, you know, not my type of entry. Will it try to go down? And gold is just going up, right? Let me see. What is gold doing? Oh, I forgot to open the chart here. Chart. Gold. Oh yeah, gold is just going higher and higher. Unstoppable. Gold is unstoppable. Maybe we see something at the pre-market open. Yeah, definitely has to be lots of orders resting below that area. So I agree. Has to be. Yeah. Yeah, Satoshi, we'll see. We'll see what goes. We might have to wait like 20 something minutes for this to go. Otherwise, I just don't want to be part of it. All right. I'm going to grab a drink. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. There's nothing to do. Gold's different level. Yeah, that's running the show. Yeah, Kenny. All right, I'll be right back. All right, what happened? Oh, this one is still going sideways. Yeah, too many smooth lows, but that's the trap. That's the trap. Trump speaking without sharing actual time and date. Oh, yeah. That's true. I heard about that. Hey, what up, Justin Ryan? I don't know what this one wants to do here. It's really a crappy session, to be honest. No entry that I like. Look at the 5 minute though. Oh man. It's just bad. It's just terrible. Maybe pre-market open. Not sure. Maybe pre-market open will do something. Take picture. If I use trade away, is there some limitation to it, like API? Not that I know of, Vincent. I didn't hear anything about any kind of limitations like that. Yeah, boring price action for sure. Definitely. The 5 minute looks absolutely one of the shittiest price actions. And as much as I would like to take a trade on this, I just really can't. Trying a short, maybe. I don't know. This whole thing is just... We have 1 minute and 30 seconds until the macro. Let's go. We are waiting patiently with the beer and some music. Yeah, Vincent, that's all I know. I mean, nothing, no special limitations or anything like that. So. And gold is just unstoppably going for the 3,000 up there. Not even trying to short this one, to be honest. Well, Okutan, I think the best, I mean, most of the traders like, you know, the speed. Not this kind of price action, but the best chance to trade NQ is, I mean, yeah, it's in New York, and I think that's one of the better instruments to trade on, like Nasdaq, maybe the Dow Jones, or yeah, those two are actually moving quite fast. Also, ES is good, but it's a little bit slower. For example, I never trade ES on the London session, not even really on the New York session. So in New York, I would trade NQ. And we just talked about this, that for example, in Asia session, the gold seemed to be a good opportunity to trade. Usually it moves decently. And in London session, well, that's a huge question mark. Because nowadays, like, look at this now. NQ is total crap. And so it's hard to tell. London is nowadays, I don't know. It's a question. Usually the only thing I mean, one of the better things you can do to trade in London is obviously Nasdaq when we don't have the day like this, because mostly with prop firms, right? Like if you're looking to trade futures with these prop firms, then the only instrument which would give you enough liquidity and speed would be still Nasdaq and maybe Japanese yen futures, someone told me, but I don't know, maybe gold. I tried that, but I would only trade crude oil in New York session, so not in London. Yeah, DEX, yeah, best Sam, that's definitely true. You can trade the DEX as well. With Apex, you can do it, but you have to subscribe to the EuroX subscription if you want to go with DEX. So, yeah. So some prop firms allow you, I think the only prop firm I know now is Apex that lets you to trade with DEX, but you have to subscribe for the data, which is I think $30 per month, or I don't even know, something like that. And then you can trade the EuroX. Yes, yeah, so same goes here, Okutan. So Japanese yen futures also moving somewhat okay-ish. So I'd say, yeah, it's something to look into. I think it's gonna be tomorrow. Let me check it. Hold on. The expiration date on that application. I think it's gonna be Tuesday, but let me check. Give me a second here. February 11, I think, ends in 2 days. Just a second. Just a second. I'm gonna let you guys know exact hour. So it ends in 1 day, 20 hours, and 5 minutes. Okay, so that means that most likely it's gonna happen on Wednesday. So entries are closing on sometime during Wednesday London hour or something. The counter says 1 day, 20 hours, and 4 minutes. Maybe I can edit that to bring it forward 1 day. Let me check it if I can enter that. So we can do it. Oh yeah, I think I can enter. Edit that. February. Oh yeah, that is Tuesday. It says Tuesday. Yeah, let's bring it forward. Okay. So yeah, we are going to. This is gonna end Tuesday, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard. Tuesday, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard. So we can do the giveaway in London session. And then we're gonna start a new one, a new giveaway. Giveaways hopefully every week. I don't know. Let me update this. Done. Yeah, it's been updated. All right, it's been updated. Was not on screen. How to see the How do you see the Friday drop on NQ? Simple. This was Friday close, and here was the new. That you have to use electronic trading hours, and then you will see it. That's how it goes. What up, Justin? Right? What up? They look for excuses. Yeah. Still, a lot of people are getting payouts. Yeah. I just saw a couple of more people getting payouts last week and this week too. All right, Jason. Fall asleep to my voice. Yeah. It could be. Yes, that could be, but I don't really care about that level down there. In a slow price action like this, I have to zoom in and look what price wants to do here. So yeah, that could have been, and that's why I said we could be going up there to that 760 area. You know, that can happen. That could be in the cards. But for now, this price action is very, very, very bad. Yeah, every weekend we have these gaps, so I think it's getting kind of boring now. We have all these gaps. It's getting kind of boring. Yeah. Oh man. One more minute until pre-market open. Can't wait to see what this one do. Or this one does. Yeah, NQ has been unplugged again, officially. All right, here comes the pre-market open in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if something happens here. Now it might be sweeping that level. Who knows? Look at that. Should be getting through the 81 for a proper sweep. That would be the ultimate. The ultimate sweep. And it didn't go for it. Look at that. Some big gainers today. Wow. Monday is an up or down for New York session. I wish I could. I wish I could say anything about it. Look at this. Even the 1 hour chart. Look at how crappy it is. In the big picture, though, I think it should be bullish. It should be bullish because I see a beautiful zone up there at 21,884. I would like to see this correct higher. Beautiful supply area and very shorter block up there. 884 up until 967, and we have still some very good targets on the left. I'm not gonna zoom it out that much, but I like that level. And we swept the lows here, pretty much done here on the downside. So I'd like to see a bullish move. Now at this particular moment, that's how I see this. Oh my god, the 5 minute looks so terrible. This just looks so terrible. I don't even want to trade this. I really don't. This is, look at this. It's absolutely terrible. Look at this. This is nuts. This is absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, I'm so glad I have no positions on it here. I'm really makes me not even wanting to trade at all in this London session. I'm sorry to say that. Yeah, very, very strong level, the midnight level here. Yes, yes, John Wick, it's an eternity. Yeah, I think everybody, by the way, I think the best choice right now is to wait for the stock exchange open, because now this is, even if I would see a possible displacement on the 1 minute, I don't even care if to the upside or to the downside. I would not be entering along until we see these levels down there. And if it goes short, I don't even care because the distance is just so small that I don't care. So nothing that I really like. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just yeah, Justin, right. Uh, this is like so much. So much not the thing that I was looking for. And I have no trade here. The only thing I did is that evaluation accounts, which was I don't even I didn't even remember. Was I? I was like short. I don't even remember. But that's it. I'm not picking up any orders here or trades. Yeah, just noise here. Just I mean, obviously, if Michael Huddleston were here, he would just zoom into the 5-second chart and he would find patterns. But I don't do that. Trust the 322 inversion. I mean, I trust it, but there's nothing to do with it. So, if I would place my bet, I'd say that the 681.75 will be broken, but maybe who knows? Maybe an hour from now, or maybe pre-New York session, this can go sideways. 4 more years of random noise. It seems like to me that it wants to break that 81.75. Maybe if it does, I don't know if I want to be a part of it. Terrible price action. Yeah. And you know what? I have better things to do. I mean, I mean not like better things to do, but really I'm a little bit behind schedule on some IRL stuff, and I feel I have better use of my time right now, because I really have to do some stuff around. I have to run some errands, so I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody, because I don't care about this price action. I would really love to sit here until 5 or 5:30 a.m., but I just I can't. You know, I look at this, and this is typically. We had some crappy days in London, but this is the crappiest now. Officially, I give the crappiest London session to this day, February 10. I think I'm gonna mark this down somewhere. This is the crappiest London session this year, so I don't want to jump into any trade. I don't care. Thank God I just traded one small eval position. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe Okuta. So thank you very much, everybody. I'm gonna call it here. There's nothing. It should be breaking 81, but I don't. If it does, I don't care about the Asia low. So be safe out there. I'll be back for the New York session. So all is good. And I'm sorry, but this price action is untradeable. If you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links. And by the way, I know you guys like Tradeify. I don't have a custom code at Tradeify, but if you purchase anything from them, then use my link and use the current code for February, which is Feb, gives you the best available discount if you click on my link. Anyway, thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll be back for the New York session. Sorry, but this was a slow session, but it is what it is. So again, God bless you all. I'll be back for New York. Trade safely. And cheers to you all. All right.